Hey guys, I am continuing along with my MAC cosmetic series that I've been doing. I feel like MAC is making a comeback to their glory days when they were so popular. I think they're going to get popular again. And if I have anything to say about it, it couldn't be happening soon enough. So today I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial featuring MAC All That Glitters. MAC All That Glitters is a beige with gold pearl, and the finish is Velux Pearl. They don't have that many Velux Pearls left in their lineup, but this is a classic and a gorgeous eyeshadow. So that's what we're going to be using today. And in case you're curious about some of the other products that I already have on, for blush, I have on the MAC Glow Play blush in the shade Blush Please. And this is a slightly warm mauve. My favorite blush that I bought in 2024. On my lips, I have on, where is it? Here is it. Probably my favorite lip liner that I bought in 2024, the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in Mauve Aside. And over that, I have one of the new Revlon Shine Tinted Lip Balms. And this is in the shade number 7 called Glazed Mauve. And these are like a re-release from 2 or 3 years ago. And some of the colors in the line are new and some of them are bringbacks or throwbacks from that time. But if you have not tried these yet, you have to just buy one and you will be hooked. It's a tinted lip balm, but they are gorgeous and they feel wonderful on your lips, especially now in the winter when it's dry in everybody's house from the heat. So I've already primed my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, which is just a cream nude eyeshadow that a lot of people use as an eyeshadow primer. And let's just get started then. So I already told you about All That Glitters and described it, so we're all set with that. So I'm going to grab my Urban Decay eyeshadow brush that came in the Naked palette, re-released recently. We're going to start with the small side. By the way, in case you're curious, I deep clean my brushes every single day. Whatever brushes I use, I deep clean them and then wring out the excess moisture and set them on a towel to dry, and they're ready by the next day because I don't like using dirty brushes, especially where I like to use more than one color sometimes on my brushes, which I usually do. All right, so I've applied some of the All That Glitters to the small side of the brush, and I'm going to put that on my lids. This is such a classic eyeshadow from MAC. I think that people would riot if they ever got rid of it. Of course, that hasn't stopped them before from discontinuing things that people loved, but usually what I've noticed they try to do is if they discontinue something, they try to formulate a new shadow that has the same color or similar with a better formula. And sometimes it's not the formula people love so much as it is the color. So this has like a slight copper tone to it. See, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to do one eye at a time just so this video won't be crazy long. So the next shade I'm going to use is MAC Haux, which is spelled H-A-U-X. This is a satin finish, and it's a soft, muted, rosy brown. So I'm going to flip the brush over and go to the blending side, put some of that on my brush, and we're going to use that in the outside part of my lid and take it up into the corner and then go over a little bit. I like to go maybe halfway and drag it right out into the corner and up, and just keep working that over until I get the shape and depth of color that I want. So this is a really pretty color Haux that goes with so many things. All right, I'm just gonna shut the camera off and do the same thing on the other eye and come back. Okay, so now that I've done that on both sides, excuse me, I'm going back to the small side of the brush, and this time I'm gonna dip it into Haux. And you might be thinking, oh, but you already put all the glitters on that. Yes, I do that on purpose because I like to have a little bit of both colors along the lower lash line. So this is going to be a mixture of Haux and all the glitters. So just a little bit on that brush. And now what I'm going to do is shut off the camera, curl my lashes, and come back and we'll do the highlight shade. Lashes are curled and mascara has been applied. Now I'm just going to take a clean brush. This is from Mauve, and we're going to do the highlight. And you know the drill by now if you've been watching my videos. My favorite highlight shade from MAC is Shroom. Now you can also use, whatever you have, obviously. You can use blank type, brulee, nylon, rice paper. Use whatever you have. So we're just going to put a little bit of this on the brow bone and a little in the inner corner. And we are done. What do you think of these two colors together? I like them, and I think that the coppery beige with gold pearl with the mauve that has a slight warmth to it, I think it's a good combo. So thank you so much for watching and following and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.